Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end. To block someone on WeChat, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The home page of WeChat application will appear on the screen. Click on Contacts. Search for a person you'd like to block and tap on it. On the next page, click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. Now slide the slider of block to the right side to block someone on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. Confirm blocking of a person by tapping on OK. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.